Hello students, now we will discuss the functions of political parties. Political parties fill political offices and exercise political power. Political parties fill political offices and exercise political power. Parties contest election. Parties contest election. If we discuss in USA, member and supporters of a party choose its candidate. But in our country like India, top party leaders choose candidate for contesting election. Top party leaders choose candidates for contesting election. Parties put forward different policies and programs. Parties put forward different policies and program. As per acceptation of people, political parties make their policies which government can't. Which government can't. Parties play a decisive role in making laws for a country. Political parties form and run government. Political parties form and run government. Those parties that lose in the election play the role of opposition to the parties in power. To the parties in power. Parties shape public opinion. Political party shape public opinion. They rise and highlight issues. Political parties rise and highlight issues. They launches movement. Political parties launches movement. Political parties provide people access to government machinery and welfare scheme implemented by government. Political parties provided people access to government machinery and welfare scheme implemented by government. Clear? These are the function of political parties. Clear? Hope this will help you to score better in your coming examination.